Before this, I was a cook at a nursing home.
I worked in fast food for the longest time.
I was a teacher, and then I decided to change careers.
I remember my guidance counselor actually getting in trouble for advising me to do something like this, and it's just, college isn't for everyone, or some people just don't want to sit in an office, they want to go do work with their hands.
Apprentices are really important to companies like Optimation. We acquired our skilled trades division in 2006, and at that time we had a very senior workforce, and we had the Grand Masters, but we didn't have a lot of the younger end of the scale. And so we saw right away that there was going to be a great need to be able to carry on that tradition of trades work and the excellent trades work that we did.
My favorite part is seeing what I built at the end.
It's crazy how much I have learned in, the short amount of time that I've been here, and how much of a variety of job-related things that I've been exposed to in the short amount of time.
I just like the different atmospheres, you're always on a different job, you're always doing something new.
I'm really excited to get to work. When I wake up in the morning, I'm not dragging my feet. I like doing construction. Every day something different, and pretty much
I would have to say the variety of all the work is the sheer amount of different stuff you do. Every day is a little bit different. You never really find yourself doing the same thing over and over and over again.
How everything all fits together, and different processes that make different things and stuff like that. So it's nice to see how the world works.
I'd say be a sponge.
I'm learning every day. Being a fitter is like speaking a whole another language. Is like learning a new language, basically.
Right now, I could be retiring in 2 years from now, and there's a lot of information that I'm trying to pass to the younger generation. I'll give you any knowledge you want, okay, because somebody's got to take over.
What's important to me right now, that I've been doing this 40 years, and I'm thrilled to get young people that are interested in the trades, and even people that are just kind of fishing for something to do with their life. They may have an unrelated degree and found that career wasn't working for them, and find out that they love the trades.
There aren't as many people going into the trades, and so we need to get the young people in the trades, and then we need to get them trained by the people that have been doing that for a long period of time, and that's what the apprenticeship is all about.
I have never been so proud of myself and so happy with the choice that I made to make the career shift.
I love it here.